We often see these brown spots on our corn plant leaves that we also call Dracaena fragrans. These brown spots spread from one leaf to another, so it's very necessary to treat it immediately so it doesn't spread further. I have a very easy and guaranteed solution for this I will share with you today. First thing you should do is when you notice these tiny spots, stop misting and don't water the plant from the top. This is gonna make the problem worse, so stop doing it right now. Before jumping onto the solution, first let's be clear what are these. I will explain in very short. Many of us wonder whether it's due to too much watering or if I'm watering less, due to sunlight or something else. Brown edges or normal yellowing or browning is totally different from this one. This is a fungal infection. In my corn plants, I always face these brown spots in the monsoon season. That is the time of the year I always notice these spots. And if you don't treat this right, this is going to spread in the other leaves too. So the fix for this problem is very simple. You need to buy a fungicide. It could be in powder form or liquid. Any of these are gonna work and it will stop the spread. If the fungicide is copper based, then it's better. So what you have to do is take 1 liter of water into your spray bottle and add just 1 pinch of fungicide powder into the water. A pinch of powder is enough. Or you can follow the instructions on the package. Then mix it really well into the water and then start spraying the solution on the leaves. Spray evenly on infected leaves and healthy leaves too. Another very important tip is to maintain the ventilation around the plant. Make sure the air around the plant is not stagnant. Open the windows if it's in a room, or you can take it outside in the shade, but not in the rain. That is going to make the problem worse. You need to reduce the humidity around the plant. Turn your humidifier off, or you can keep the plant separately. Keep a little space around the plant. And then after a week, repeat the process. You can also spray the remaining solution to your other plants and trees so they don't catch any fungal infections in the future. This will protect them and stop the fungal spread if they are facing any fungal issues. So that's it for today's video. I tried to explain everything in really short. Hope you learned something today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care videos.